Welcome to our training session on Amazon Kendra, a state-of-the-art enterprise search service powered by machine learning. What is Amazon Kendra? Amazon Kendra revolutionizes how enterprises search for information. It's a highly accurate and easy-to-use enterprise search service powered by machine learning. Kendra understands the context and meaning of the text, enabling users to search using natural language. Use cases for Amazon Kendra. Enhancing internal search, improve the way employees access company information, making it easier and faster. Improving customer interactions, use Kendra to answer customer queries more efficiently. Integrating with SaaS applications, enhance software applications with powerful search capabilities. Accessing internal knowledge, quickly find relevant internal documents and information. Sales and customer support services, enable sales and support teams to access the information they need to serve customers better. Customer information discovery, help customers find the information they need quickly and accurately. Benefits and features of Amazon Kendra. Accurate answers, Kendra provides specific answers to questions, not just a list of links. Natural language understanding, understands the context and intent behind queries. Easy data source connectivity, connects seamlessly with various data sources. Continuous improvement, Kendra learns from user interactions to improve over time. Amazon Kendra pricing. Amazon Kendra offers 2 editions. Developer Edition, document storage is up to 10,000 documents, while max queries per day is 4,000. Free tier is first 30 days up to 750 hours and pricing is $1.125 per hour, totaling around $810 per month. Enterprise Edition, document storage is up to 100,000 documents, then max queries per day is 8,000, and pricing is $1.40 per hour, totaling around $1,008 per month. Hands-on practice. We are in the AWS console window now. Go to the Services drop-down menu, and find Machine Learning Services. On the right side of the drop-down menu, find Amazon Kendra, then open the link Amazon Kendra in a new tab. And we are now in the Amazon Kendra main page now, and we can see basic information here. On the left pane, please check indexes. We can create index and click the button. We are in the Create Index configuration window now, and we have 4 steps in this creation. Step 1, specify index details. Step 2, configure user access control. Then Step 3, add additional capacity. And Step 4 is to review and create. Let's go back to main page, and that's all for our short Amazon Kendra user interface review. How it works for Amazon Kendra? Amazon Kendra enables intelligent search for websites and applications using ML. It ingests data through connectors, syncing multiple repositories. Results are optimized through incremental learning, relevance tuning, pre-trained domains, custom attributes, document enrichment, and synonyms. Deployment options include intranet search, website search, contact center agent assist, and embedded SaaS applications, providing a powerful and customizable search solution for various use cases. Amazon Kendra redefines enterprise search, making it easier and more efficient to find the right information at the right time. Whether improving employee productivity, enhancing customer service, or powering SaaS applications, Kendra's intelligent search capabilities are an invaluable asset for any organization. Thank you for attending this training session on Amazon Kendra. Embrace the power of machine learning-driven search and transform how your organization accesses information.